Today I will share with you top 5 best robot vacuum cleaner review. So, let's start. Number 1. ABIR G20S Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Experience the future of home cleaning with the ABIR G20S Robot Vacuum Cleaner. This sleek and compact device, measuring 33,033,076 millimeters, packs a powerful punch with 6,000 pascal suction for pristine floors. Equipped with 2D mapping, Euro, and memory functions, it efficiently navigates and remembers your space. The 14.8V battery offers up to 2 hours of cleaning time. Manage it effortlessly via the included remote or the convenient Wi-Fi app. With an electric wet mop, this robot takes floor washing to a new level. Say goodbye to tedious chores and hello to smart, efficient cleaning. Number 2. Xiaomi Mijia Self-Cleaning Robot Vacuum Mop. Elevate your home cleaning with the Xiaomi Mijia Self-Cleaning Robot Vacuum Mop Pro, model STYTJ06ZHM. This innovative cleaning powerhouse offers a combination of features for a spotless space. With a powerful 3000 pascal suction and LDS laser navigation, it efficiently sweeps and vacuums while sterilizing with UV light. The compact 343,332,106 mm design easily fits into tight spaces, and its planned cleaning route ensures thorough coverage. Number 3. Robot Vacuum Cleaner MultiFloor Map. Introducing the LILIN XR500 Robot Vacuum Cleaner, a game-changer in home cleaning. Powered by advanced laser Lidar navigation, it navigates your space with precision, creating a multi-floor map for efficient cleaning. With a generous dust box capacity ranging from 0.6 to 1 liter and HEPA filtration, it traps even the finest particles, ensuring cleaner air. The compact 33,033,090 mm size allows it to reach tight spaces with ease. Enjoy up to 2 hours of wireless cleaning, and customize cleaning routes with planned navigation. Plus, the Y-shaped wet mopping and app-controlled NoGo zone feature make cleaning smarter and more convenient. Number 4. Xiaomi Mijia Robot Vacuums Mop 3S for Home. Discover the Xiaomi Mijia Robot Vacuum Mop 3S, your ideal home cleaning solution. Equipped with dual high-speed rotating mops, it effortlessly removes stubborn stains from your floors. With a powerful 4000 pascal Cyclone suction, it ensures thorough cleaning of your space. Its advanced 3D stereo perception and LDS laser navigation enable precise obstacle avoidance. The intelligent electric control water tank allows for precise water output control. The brushless motor-driven wheels effortlessly conquer obstacles, and its slim 97 mm profile easily reaches beneath sofas and beds. Experience smarter and more efficient cleaning with the Xiaomi Mijia Robot Vacuum Mop 3S. Number 5. IMOU Robotic Selfempty Vacuum Cleaner Robot. Introducing the IMOU Robotic Selfempty Vacuum Cleaner, your ultimate home cleaning companion. This cutting-edge appliance boasts a powerful 14.4V motor with less than 500 W power consumption, ensuring efficient cleaning while conserving energy. Its versatile wet and dry function tackles any mess, while the 3200 mAh lithium-ion battery provides extended operation. With a generous 250 ml intelligent water tank and a convenient dust box for storage, this robot vacuum is designed for convenience. Weighing 11 kilograms and compactly sized at 40.9, 39.7, 42.6 cm, it's easy to maneuver and store. Enjoy a cleaner home with fast shipping and hassle-free maintenance. Thanks for watching.